welcome to the vlog. We are headed to preschool. Andrew had his medicine. He's watching Ryan's toy review. It's really loud. Yesterday he said, Mommy, I want Ryan's toy review to come to my house. Will you call him, call his mom? So cute. That'd be a good collab, wouldn't it?
Yeah, Woody.
All right, let's do this.
My legs are a little bit hurty.
A little bit hurty? What's going on, Em?
Making slime.
Making slime.
I need a little more detergent.
Oh my god. Little bit of gain.
The tide will work. No gain, no slime. It's working. It's working.
You guys are funny.
Oh, yes.
Let's not get slime in the chips.
No chips in there. I have to see if I can add a little more glue because we have no glue. This is as much we have, and I used the whole thing. Wait, Mama, can you take this out?
Crazy.
Mommy, can you take this out?
Emily's slime is good. She made two, blue and pink. It's not blue, it's like pukey
it's
color
good.
purple.
It's good glue, actually.
Now she's doing her homework. And the kids know that we're going somewhere tomorrow. We're going out of state, and they have no idea.
Out of
That's all they know. They don't know where we're going.
We're going there for 2 days, so it's supposed to be bad.
That's so rude. You guys can comment down below about how rude she is, because she's being very rude.
Sorry.
She's sorry. She takes it back. Where do you think we're going? Who looked in my stuff and snooped?
I did.
Look at his face. They look like warts.
What did
He has peanut butter stuck to his face.
Wait, what do you think?
He does. I gotta zoom in on this. This is good.
Are we going to New
Good
Hampshire?
stuff.
New Hampshire. Vermont. Not in the East Coast.
The whole point is we're not telling you.
Vermont. New York. Is it not on the East Coast?
You'll find out tomorrow where we're going.
What time do we go tomorrow?
You're going.
That's why you said I couldn't go to Val's.
But you are going to Val's.
Yeah, but I'm like not for long. We're going somewhere tomorrow. Are we staying in a hotel?
We're going skiing.
No, we're not.
And you're going to be in lessons for the 48 hours.
That's a lie.
She doesn't like.
She already told us we're not skiing.
Oh, I did?
Yeah.
Ugh. We're going mountain climbing. Yep. I got invited to go mountain climbing
Yep.
and cliff jumping. Cliff jumping. Aiden, are you down for cliff jumping?
Where?
Off a cliff.
Illegal.
His face! Thumbs up for those peanut butter moles. Wicked cute. Peanut butters and banana for the win. Homework. Dinner.
Oh, I want some of that. I want just a spaghetti and parmesan and bread.
Dude, you're on the tube.
Bartender.
We're winning by so many points, by the way. We're killing it. And I don't have any service. There's no way I'm actually.
We haven't got one bonus question.
Yes, we have. This is for video, just live. Hey friends, sometimes you just forget to end the vlog and you have to end the vlog in the morning. I've never done that before, ever. Anyway, kids are getting ready for school and we are going somewhere really fun today and they're dying to know. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, subscribe, leave a comment.
But we'll know
See you
we'll
later
know before
on.
you.
Bye guys, see you tomorrow.
And go